flight path, and it's not raining. Well, we've got to the stage where it really needs to be tried. So I've got the cable routed just underneath, goes over the top, swings over the top, drops down nicely there, and I might even route it through the top here and have it drop down. So I need to put the Jockey shifter gear lever on. I was sort of thinking I might hold these things off until they were all finished and then mount them all, but I do need to try it. So the handlebar clamps can go on, the Jockey shifter and the cable mechanism in its unfinished but tight state, then it can be tested. So let's get the Jockey shifter on. I can't find the bolt that I painted. No, I can't find the socket, so hope we're doing well. Thanks for waiting. I can't find the actual bolt, which is super annoying, but that one will do. Now I'll go back a little bit so we can nip this one up. Well, I've just fitted this, but the camera keeps going off, so there it is. One thing left to do, try it. Everything's good. I've ridden before, it's just been a long time. Oh, a couple of years when we did the Shadow. That's on the channel at Honda that Junior had. Give it a go. it's still hot. I've made it back alive. You would have seen some of the GoPro footage of me missing a couple of gears, but I didn't stall it. And so it's really good. The bite point is probably up about here. And so it feels a little bit late, but the cable's sitting in the natural position of where it would on a handlebar with its range of cable movement. So that's really, really great. I'll get used to that. That's fine. So a big day, really. Finishing the bracket, getting it mocked up and fitted to good enough to try. I was just keen as to want to try it. So I was going to wait and put this on, but I thought, no, I just want to give it a go. So it's been really great to try that and get that far. So I'll take everything off tomorrow and finish it all properly, and then paint it and get it all nice and presentable, Loctite things back on, and then it will be done. So good, a lot of work done today. The only thing would be to get a slipper clutch so that you can, a centrifugal clutch really is what I'm thinking of, and means you can come to a stop with it in gear, then just roll it on and off you go. But that would be the fifth and last stage if I was to go that far. I'd like to, but it's big money and I need to arrange to get that sent over to New Zealand from Australia. But great day today. Thanks for joining me on this episode, and join me next time when we wrap the whole project up.